equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. Start by powering off your HP 15FD laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, carefully remove the battery if your model allows it. This will prevent any accidental power on during the repair. Now, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. It's a good idea to use the microfiber cloth to clean any dust or debris you find inside. This will help maintain the performance of your device. Now, locate the screen connector. It's usually situated near the hinges of the laptop. Carefully disconnect the cable by gently pulling it out. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always seek help. Next, you will need to remove the screws that hold the screen in place. These are typically located around the edges of the screen. Once you've removed these screws, gently lift the screen away from the laptop. Be cautious as the screen is fragile. Now, take your new screen and align it with the hinges. Secure it in place by replacing the screws you just removed. Make sure it's firmly attached but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the screen. Reconnect the screen cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's seated properly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Once everything is connected, replace the back panel of the laptop. Secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it. Power on your laptop to test the new screen. If everything is working correctly, you've successfully replaced your screen. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We are here to help with no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get your laptop back in working order. And that's it. You've completed the screen replacement on your HP 15FD laptop. Enjoy your newly functioning device. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.